All right, today we're making smoked old fashions. We messing around. We're gonna do a little cooking, but we're gonna do a little drinking first. We ain't had nothing to drink yet, and we messing up. I already put the simple syrup in, but I'm still show you. You need a mixing jar or a glass. It's two slices of orange in there because I'm doing 2 drinks instead of 1. I'm gonna show you how to do 2 drinks. Cut the recipe in half to make 1. The first thing you need is some Demerara syrup, semi-rich or rich. You're gonna get, for 2 drinks, it's a whole ounce. For 1 drink, it's a half ounce. Depending on your taste, you might want a 1/4 ounce. The next thing, I'm doing it different because I got this Knob Creek Smoked Maple. It's one of my favorite winter whiskeys. And it tastes like maple. It literally tastes like maple, and it's kind of sweet. So I want to kind of balance it out, and don't let it fool you. 90 proof, it will put you on your ass. So I'm gonna balance it out with one of my favorites, Blue Note Juke joint, Uncut, Unfiltered. This one is 118 proof. It definitely puts you on your ass. So remember, we're making 2 drinks for 2 people. So everything that you see me use, cut it in half. First, we're gonna go with the smoked maple. We're gonna do 2 ounces. Next, the Juke joint, 2 ounces. Remember, we already have the Demerara syrup in. Next, Angostura bitters. Usually about 3 to 4 shakes. So since it's 2 drinks, we're gonna do about 6 shakes. So next step, we got our ice in a can. Don't worry about it melting. Unless you're using an 80 proof. But water is always a part of the recipe. That's why you got ice in most cocktails. Water is a part of the recipe. You got a 90 proof and a 118 proof. You ain't got to worry about a whole lot of dilution. Both of them gonna stand up to the ice. This is a stave that came off of a bourbon barrel from this place when I visited. Normally I use my little smoke kit, but it's the weekend. I'm a firebug. I've been cooking, and I'm gonna show y'all another way to do it. So we're gonna heat this up. You got it smoking. We're gonna set the glasses on top of that and let it catch some of the smoke off of the stave. I'm gonna move that to the side. Next thing we're gonna do, get my spoon. All right, now we got our smoke in. I'm gonna put our ice cubes. I forgot the garnish.
Gotta go get the garnish.
I ain't gonna go get it. If you want to garnish it with a maraschino cherry or Luxardo cherry. And cheers.
Cheers.
That's good. That's good.
That's real good.
That's very good.
That's very good.
2 minutes easy. Catch you slip. Try it. Let me know how you like it. Peace.